Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get free Robux in Roblox in 2026. I've managed to find a working Roblox promo code that you can use right now, and it is going to supply you with 10,000 free Robux. And this is probably about $100 worth because Robux is pretty expensive. So this method of getting free Robux takes just a few minutes, and it is a working promo code, so everyone can use this no matter which country you're from. Before I show you this method, I am also doing a gift card giveaway. I'm giving tons of Roblox gift cards, and to enter the giveaway, you simply have to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave your Roblox username in the comment section below. I'm going to be scrolling down beneath this video and choosing a bunch of people, so make sure you do spam your Roblox usernames. But anyway, guys, this method of getting free Robux takes a few minutes of your time. It is super easy if you follow all of the instructions. And yeah, let's get into it. So basically, guys, let me just quickly show you where you redeem your Robux promo code. So if you haven't ever redeemed a code, let me just show you quick. Roblox redeem code. So basically, guys, there is a redeem gift card and code box here on the Roblox website. So you enter the code that I'm going to show you how to get, press redeem, and if you're logged in, it's going to give you 10,000 Robux for free. So use your mobile internet browser just to obtain this Roblox promo code, and then you can redeem it on your PC or wherever you play. So go to www.crashcoupons.com. So here we go, Crash Coupons. Type it like this, pause the video, copy that down, guys. This website is absolutely awesome. If you haven't seen them before, I highly recommend you bookmark them. They have hundreds and hundreds of pages of codes for different Roblox games and stuff. So I'm just going to use the search bar to speed up finding the Roblox promo codes page. So go ahead and type that in, Roblox promo codes. Make sure you type it exactly like this. Because if you just type Roblox, let me show you, you're going to get tons of results for Roblox games. So just search for promo codes. And on this page, this hosts the free Robux codes. So go ahead and scroll down. But by the way, these are really highly rated as well, guys. So 20,000 plus people have rated this. Almost 5 stars. I guess people don't follow the instructions. That's why some people haven't rated it 5, but there is a code on this page for 10,000 free Robux. As you can see, it says get 10,000 Robux for free in Roblox. So once you find this code, click on get code, and it's going to confirm your selection here, and then you need to click on show full code. Now, this entire process of getting your Roblox Robux promo code takes just a few minutes, guys. I did this earlier, and it does limit 1 code per user. So I can't do it again because as you can see, these are limited codes. People are using them as we speak. They do replenish, but these are one-time use codes, guys. So your code is currently hidden. So if this is your first time on Crash Coupons, you will need to unlock your code. So to do that, click on this button. And you're going to see this screen here, guys, and this basically confirms you as a real person. So you just need to follow the instructions to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below and follow the instructions below each one. So basically, guys, you're going to have a list of tasks. These are basically mobile apps and stuff, free surveys, playing games. You just need to make sure you read the description. As an example, this is one I did earlier and it was pretty easy. This one says download, install this app and create an account. So if you choose one like this, you tap on it where it's going to bring you to the App Store, and you just have to grab that app and open it up and create an account. There's other things as well where you just follow the instructions. So you tap on it and it will give you some instructions where you have to search for eSIM travel in the App Store and download that app. So yeah, just follow the instructions basically and fully complete 2 of the tasks, and once you do that, it was going to send you back to Crash Coupons, and if you complete 2 of the tasks, your code will be unlocked. So the full code will be shown. Like I said, I did this earlier, and it is one-time use, guys. So once you get your code, make sure you use it for yourself, redeem it in the Roblox redeem codes part of the website where I showed you. Redeem it in there, And yeah, that is going to get you 10,000 free Robux. So you just need to go to Crash Coupons and make sure you do find the Roblox promo codes page, guys, and select the free Robux code. So that is how to do it. This is working in 2026. Like I said, I am doing a gift card giveaway as well, guys. So if you don't want to run through these steps, you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave your Roblox username below. And I'm going to be giving tons of gift cards. So anyway, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.